Good evening friends. My name is Aman Saraf. Today I am going to teach you about quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a combination of four sides in which first shape is square. Here four sides are equal to each other as well as all the angle are in 90 degree. Adjacent angle, these adjacent angle in 90 degree as well as the diagonal bisect each other. It means that they divide in a equal manner. So it is equals to this one and it is equals to this one. Next is rhombus. When we give some tilt or rotation in a square shape, it becomes rhombus. Here the adjacent angle not in 90 degree. Here all the sides are in equal and diagonal bisect each other. This intersection point of these diagonal make 90 degree. Here angle is 90 degree, here the angle is 90 degree, here the angle is 90 degree, here the angle is 90 degree. Our next quadrilateral is kite shape in which adjacent sides are equal. So this side is equals to this one and this side equals to this side, and the diagonal intersect each other at the intersection point. It makes 90 degree angle. The small diagonal after intersection becomes an equal side, equal in size. So this is equals to this one, but this long diagonal is not an equal size. Our next quadrilateral is rectangle in which opposite sides are equal. So this side equals to this side and this side equals to this side. Here one more thing, all the adjacent angles are in 90 degree and diagonal bisect each other. So it is equals to this one and it is equals to this one. Here this is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are in parallel as well as equal to each other. So this side is equals to this one, this side is equals to this one, but the adjacent angle is not in 90 degree as compared to rectangle. Here the adjacent angle is in 90 degree, but in parallelogram this is not in 90 degree, but the diagonal bisect each other as similar as rectangle. Here our last shape is trapezium in which one side of pair is in parallel. Here I am using the word parallel. It means when we extend the side like this, they are not intersect each other at any point, but when we extend the side, they intersect at this one. So this is all about the quadrilateral. Again we can take a quick recap. Here in a square all the sides are equal and all the adjacent angle in 90 degree and diagonal bisect each other. In rhombus all sides are equal, but adjacent angle is not in 90 degree, but the intersection point having 90 degree. As similar in kite, intersection point of diagonal is having 90 degree, but adjacent side are equal. This one is equals to this one and this equals to this one. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and adjacent angle are in 90 degree and the diagonal are bisect each other. In a parallelogram, opposite side equal and diagonal bisect each other, but the adjacent angle is not in 90 degree. In trapezium, one opposite side is in parallel manner and other one not in parallel. Thank you, friends.